YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we have some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned, we're gonna dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have another quick fix video for you guys on Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. Today we actually want to show you guys how to take off the bottom cover of the cleaner. This will give you access to allow you to help remove the feed mask tube, the main vacuum tube, and some of the other internal working parts of the cleaner. So we're going to show you guys how to remove the bottom here so that you guys can get access. As you guys can see, it's pretty stripped down as it is. If you guys want to know how we got down to this point of the cleaner, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We've got a full playlist on tearing this cleaner apart from the outside in, and we've got many more to come for you guys. So for today's video on taking the bottom half, you're just going to go ahead and flip the cleaner over. And as you guys can see here on the bottom, there are two screw holes here. There is only two Phillips head screws that are required to actually get this bottom piece off. So I like to use a longer Phillips head screwdriver. Just gives you plenty of working room. Please do not use any power tools. It's important to only use your regular hand tools. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these two screws. Second, gotta find it in there. And difficult to get located. There it goes. You guys can tell that you guys have started to remove it because you'll see the pieces separate for you. So just go ahead and do that, and then I'll polish the bottom. Again, it is very important for you guys to do this on a surface away from the pool so you do not lose these screws down in the water. It can be a pain in the butt for you to have to fish these out. So make sure if you're going to do any kind of repair to come off to the side, use your patio table, whatever it may be, so then that way you don't lose those in the water. So as you can see, it's really simple. You're just going to remove those two Phillips head screws, and now you have access underneath here where you can actually see the thrust jet as well as the Venturi jets. So this will help you get access to remove this functionality of the cleaner, where you cannot do it if you try to do anything from the top. So it is important that if you're going to mess with anything with thrust jets as well as the Venturis, that you do remove that bottom plate. It also helps a lot to get access to the idler wheel on the side, as well as the swing axle kit that's attached to that wheel. So really simple, quick fix, just to remove it, be able to get access to the internals, as well as fix the idler wheel and the swing kit for you guys. And when you're ready, you're simply going to just feed the bottom back on. Make sure that it lines up for you, that you're not overlapping on anything. It does have a little bevel around the edge, so that is normal. Don't think that you didn't get it on right. And then you're just going to go ahead and feed the screws back in. Again, it's really important that you guys use just hand tools, as you don't want to over crank anything and take the risk of breaking the frame of the cleaner, which can be very costly. So again, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We've got a ton more videos coming your way on this cleaner, as well as every other cleaner out there. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We've got a ton more videos coming your way, and be sure to hit that like button. We really appreciate all the love and feedback we get from you guys. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.